All right, hey there, boys and girls. We have December Daily Math, day number 15. So here we are. 2 equals something divided by 5. So what number divided into 5 pieces is 2 equal pieces? So think of it this way. Remember our fact triangle? We have the 5 and we have the 2. Okay? So we need to multiply to get to that top one, don't we? So what's 2 times 5 or 5 times 2? That's right. 10 divided into 5 equal pieces is 2 for each piece. Okay? All right. Number 2, write a multiplication equation that is related to this division example. Well, first let's finish our division problem. And I see it's 45 divided by 9 equals what? 45 divided by 9. Is it 4? 9 times 4? No, it's 36. 5? 9 times 5? That's 45, isn't it? 9 fives is 45. Now, we're going to do our multiplication. So we take these two. 5 times 9 equals 45. How about that? Yeah. All right. Samuel made a design with stars. 3 of the stars have 6 points each. Each. 4 of the stars have 4 points each. That's twice. How many points in all? Our label's already there. Points. See that? Okay. So, 3 stars each have 6 points each. 4 stars have 4 points each. So what is 3 stars with 6 on each star? 3 times 6 equals 18. Very good. 6, 12, 18. And what is 4 times 4? 4 stars with 4 points on each star. 4 times 4 is 16. Now we add those together to get how many points in all, right? So 6 plus 8, 14, and then 1, 2, 3. So there should be 34 points in all. Okay, Patricia wants to buy 20 fish. How much money will she need? Okay, we'll get 2 fish for 10 cents. Now last time we did this, we kind of did the pattern, right? And what we did, where did I put that? Is we drew out 3 and then 6, 9, and 12 because it was 3 fish for 50 cents. And now we have 2 fish for 10 cents. Okay? So for every 2 fish, it's a dime. So we could go like that again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 fish. So there's 10 cents, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, or $1. These are cheaper fish. Maybe they're smaller. Maybe they don't eat as much. I don't know. But she wants to buy 20 fish. Another way to think of it is, what is 20 divided by 2? So if we skip 20 and we put it in half, it'd be 10, right? And then we times that 10 by 10 cents each. Okay? So we come up with $1. Thank you. So $1 for those fish. Okay. 3 kittens fit in a box. How many kittens will fit in 6 boxes? Okay, well, let's make 6 boxes. Okay, I have 6 boxes there. You see that? So I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Those circles each stand for 1 kitten. Okay, so I have 3 kittens in each of these 6 boxes. How many kittens? So how many will fit all together? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 kittens. We can also think of it as 6 boxes times 3 kittens in each box equals 18 kittens, because it is a multiplication problem. All right, boys and girls, thank you so very much, and I hope you guys have a great day. We will see you tomorrow for day number 16.